Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm just doing a tyre repair kit. You can pick this up from Amazon and just click on the link below. And repairing my trailer tyre, but you can repair car tyres also, or truck tyres, anything that's not on the sidewall. So here I'm just removing the screw. So in an anti-clockwise movement I pulled it out. So now I'm using the file here to open up the hole, and it's got circular motion and also up and down, just to smoothen out that hole and to open it up so that we can get that plug in. Now it's time to get the plug. So it's here is a thin strip, and then I put it through the needle point and we pull that through with pliers and get it halfway, and then we're able to get the rubber cement on. And we're pretty generous, so I have to put a fair bit on because it'll go inside the tyre and on the outside, and it will harden to the tyre. So here I'm just using a bit of elbow grease to push it through, and on that needle point it has a one-way release opening, so when I pull back it will release the plug and leave it into the tyre like so. So now that plug is in there, we'll just cut it away with a Stanley knife and take away most of the excess so it doesn't pull out again. So after leaving it for about half an hour or so to dry, now it's time to pump it up. So I pump it up to about 2.3 bar, about 35 psi, and it's all ready to go for the next day for my job. So thanks for joining me, and I hope this helps you out.